Top 15 Data Engineering-Based Project Ideas for Final Year Engineering Students 1. Data Warehousing and ETL. Automation. Design and implement a data warehouse solution that automates the extraction, transformation, and loading (ETL) process for handling large volumes of data from multiple sources. 2. Real-time data streaming analytics. Develop a system for real-time processing and analysis of streaming data from sources such as IoT devices, social media feeds, or financial markets, enabling timely insights and decision-making. 3. Predictive maintenance system. Build a predictive maintenance solution using machine learning algorithms to analyze equipment sensor data and predict potential failures, helping to minimize downtime and maintenance costs. 4. Customer segmentation and personalization. Create a customer segmentation and personalization platform that utilizes data analytics techniques to segment customers based on behavior, demographics, and preferences, enabling targeted marketing and product recommendations. 5. Fraud detection and prevention. Implement a fraud detection system that employs advanced analytics and anomaly detection algorithms to identify suspicious activities and transactions in real time, reducing financial losses and mitigating risks. 6. Supply chain optimization. Develop a supply chain optimization solution that analyzes historical data and demand forecasts to optimize inventory levels, streamline logistics operations, and improve delivery performance. 7. Sentiment analysis and opinion mining. Design a sentiment analysis tool to analyze text data from social media, customer reviews, or surveys, extracting insights about public opinion, brand sentiment, and market trends. 8. Healthcare data analytics. Build a healthcare analytics platform that aggregates and analyzes electronic health records, EHRs, medical imaging data, and clinical trial data to improve patient outcomes, treatment effectiveness, and healthcare delivery. 9. Smart energy management system. Create a smart energy management solution that collects and analyzes data from smart meters, weather forecasts, and energy consumption patterns to optimize energy usage, reduce costs, and promote sustainability. 10. Recommendation engine. Develop a recommendation engine using collaborative filtering or content-based filtering techniques to generate personalized recommendations for products, movies, or music based on user preferences and behavior. 11. Geospatial data analysis. Implement a geospatial data analysis tool that processes and visualizes spatial data from sources such as GPS devices, satellite imagery, and geographic databases to support urban planning, environmental monitoring, and disaster response efforts. 12. IoT data integration and analytics. Build an IoT data integration platform that ingests, processes, and analyzes data from diverse IoT devices and sensors, enabling insights into device performance, environmental conditions, and user behavior. 13. Financial portfolio management. Design a financial portfolio management system that leverages historical market data, economic indicators, and risk metrics to optimize investment portfolios, manage asset allocation, and maximize returns. 14. Churn prediction and customer retention. Create a churn prediction model using machine learning algorithms to identify customers at risk of churn and implement targeted retention strategies, such as personalized incentives or proactive support. 15. E-commerce analytics dashboard. Develop an e-commerce analytics dashboard that provides real-time insights into website traffic, sales performance, customer demographics, and product popularity, enabling data-driven decision-making for online business.